Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this awesome coffee table. This thing was super easy to assemble. I mean, it took no time. And it is so pretty. It's kind of got that rustic industrial look all rolled into one. This thing will hold 300 pounds, and it's a double layered storage. So you, of course, can set stuff on the top, on this nice wood look top, or you've got a nice iron bottom that you can put different things, whether it's books or figurines or whatever you're wanting to put down there. Now on the side, you have this really nice X shape. So this X just is, like I said, it's kind of that industrial look. Super simple to put together. Now the whole size of this is 23.6 by 39.4 by 17.7. So it is a good size to be able to play cards around, to have many different drinks on, just kind of hanging out. Now on the bottom of the coffee table, it does have adjustable feet. So if you did have an uneven surface, you can easily adjust those little feet around. And then, like I said, you can see this nice wired area down here. So that would be great. So if you did have, dirt or something, somebody puts your shoes under there, all the dirt will just fall right through. It'd be nice and easy for cleaning. Like I said, this will be really nice in any room and any decor. It is pretty lightweight, but because of its design, it's not really going to tip over, and it holds a lot of weight. So if you did have somebody sit on it, holds the weight. This is a nice coffee table that you can put in any room.